get ready to go.
Self-hitting on right now, ripping a rip off. He's hitting the house. Hitting the barn at least.
Violent roar.
House roof just got ripped partially off. Oh my gosh, it's gonna deviate and hit that house.
Yeah, it hit the house. Oh God. Come on, miss it, miss it, miss it, miss it. They're getting lucky in hell.
Lost my stream.
I think the barn just got it. The house, come on. House got lucky. Alright, we gotta move.
Did it directly impact the house?
I think so. There, a fire guy drove back there too. I don't know if he got out of there.
Get out of there. Just hit another structure, might be an old barn. How long has this thing been down for?
That thing is violent. It just hit something again.
10-second power flashes. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, that's a ton of debris.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but definitely hit something.
Ton of debris in the air. Oh, just got completely demolished. Wait, you confirm it's a house? I haven't seen a barn with that much debris before. I'm pretty damn sure that was a home. Well, I got a ton of cops next to me, so there should be some pretty quick response here.